The birthplace of vaccinations, Dr. Edward Jenner's hut, is in dire need of urgent repairs. This historical site in Berkeley, Gloucestershire, holds immense significance as it was the location where the first smallpox vaccinations were administered in 1796. Historic England has recognized the urgency by adding the hut to its Heritage at Risk Register 2025, highlighting the extensive repairs required to the thatch roof, rear wall, and chimney. But here's where it gets controversial. While the summer house was originally built for Dr. Jenner to relax, it was transformed into the world's first vaccination clinic, a decision that sparked differing opinions. Some argue that it was a brilliant innovation, while others question the ethics of prioritizing vaccinations for the masses over personal relaxation. Despite the controversy, the legacy of the eradication of smallpox globally remains undeniable. And this is the part most people miss. The story of Dr. Jenner's hut is not just about the birth of vaccinations, but also about the power of innovation and the impact it can have on society. As we reflect on this historical site, it's important to consider the broader implications of our actions and the potential consequences they may have on the world. So, what do you think? Do you agree or disagree with the decision to prioritize vaccinations over personal relaxation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.